Welcome to this free YouTube automation course. In this course, I'll show you how to start making money from YouTube without showing your face. Many believe you need to be an influencer or reveal yourself to earn on YouTube, but that's not true. Numerous channels make substantial income without showing faces, and I'll guide you through it. This side hustle requires $0 to start and offers passive income. Before we dive into today's content, take a moment to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon. What you'll learn. 1. Complete guide to YouTube automation. 2. Key terms explained. 3. Examples of successful channels. 4. 10 ways to make money on YouTube. 5. Niche ideas and discussion. 6. Setting up a YouTube channel from scratch. 7. Video creation tips and tools. 8. Thumbnail creation. 9. Secrets to growing your YouTube channel fast. 10. Insights into YouTube Shorts and more. Key terms. CPM, cost per thousand advertisers payment for ads on your videos. RPM, revenue per mil amount video creators are paid for ad views, after YouTube's cut. Click-through rate, CTR influences YouTube's video recommendation system. Watch time, reflects how long people watch your videos, affecting visibility. YouTube algorithm. YouTube's algorithm aims to maximize viewer satisfaction and engagement. 3 key components are: 1. Clickability, create eye-catching thumbnails. 2. Watch time, keep viewers engaged. 3. Engagement, likes, comments, and shares matter. Ways to monetize. 1. Ad revenue, direct payment from YouTube, sharing advertiser earnings, 55% to creator. 2. Paid sponsorships, brands pay to feature on your channel. 3. Affiliate marketing, earn through affiliate links in your video descriptions. 4. Channel memberships, offer perks to paying members. 5. Sell merchandise, open YouTube's merchandise feature with 10,000 subscribers. 6. Patreon, connect with subscribers for additional support. 7. Super features, super chat, super stickers, and super thanks during live streams. 8. YouTube Shorts Fund, a fund for YouTube Shorts with RPM and CPM. 9. YouTube Premium, get paid when premium users watch your videos without ads. 10. YouTube Brand Connect, connect with brands for content campaigns. Remember, your YouTube videos are digital assets that generate passive income. Choose a channel topic. Let's go over the tools to use to make your YouTube videos. Pixabay and Pixels is great for non-copyright videos. I use YouTube Audio in the YouTube Studio for music. They also have channels with non-copyrighted music as well. Video editing and resources. For music, I trust YouTube Audio Studio. I use InShot and CapCut for video editing, with a preference for InShot's simplicity. CapCut's auto caption feature is great for narrations. Both are free. Free non-copyrighted clips. Check out Pixabay and Pexels for a variety of non-copyrighted video clips. They offer diverse content, and I specifically searched for motivational videos. Creating YouTube videos. You can use your phone, iPad, or computer. I'll guide you through creating faceless YouTube channels step by step. Everything I use is free, and with practice, it gets easier. I'm going to create with Camtasia video editing software. If you want to create in a mobile or pad, then I suggest CapCut and InShot to create watermark free. First thing we're going to need is a logo or a profile picture. So I personally love traveling and researching trips, and I'm going to create a YouTube channel about traveling. I'm going to make it an educational channel. I'm going to use this free website called Zarla to make the logo and profile picture for our faceless channel. I'm just going to type in globe, or I could type in travel just to see what comes up. I love this website because it gives you a bunch of random examples. I'm going to click choose icons for me. You can change your brand name right here, so I'm going to call my faceless YouTube channel Boogie Travel. I really love this plane and globe, so I'm going to pick this one and click Customize Icons. Then I'm going to click Layouts, and I'm actually going to click this one right here. This will be a circle on YouTube, so we need to make sure that we can crop this into a circle for our YouTube channel. Then click Free Download. If you guys are on a window, then use sniping tool, and you can literally just screenshot it from here. So just for the purpose of this video, I'm just using an old YouTube channel that I created, so I don't have a million YouTube channels in my dashboard. So I'm going to go ahead and just click on Customize Channel. If you guys don't already have a YouTube channel, all you guys have to do is just set up a Gmail account, and you'll see it through the YouTube website. It's very, very easy to set up. So when you're on your profile, all I did was just click this, and then I clicked my YouTube channel. But then once you're there, just click Customize Channel. Then once you're here, you're going to click on Change for your profile picture, and we're uploading the logo that we made for free on Zarla. Then you're going to go to Basic Information. This is where you can change your name, your app name, and add a description to tell your viewers what your channel is about. We're going to call this channel Boogie Travels. Then just click Publish. So, the first video idea that I had is to make a video about 10 places to go in New York City. I'm using pixels to find random videos of New York City that I'm going to use in my video. Then, I'm going to just pick the ones that I like, and I'm going to save them. When you find a video you like, you can just click Download. I'll just use the one that they have selected, usually, that works perfectly. I'm going to go on and find more videos, so just repeat that process. I'm just going to download a couple of these. Click on the ones I like, and I'm going to click Download each one of the videos for my YouTube video. So, if I'm making a video about the top 10 places to visit in New York City, let's pretend like I've never been there and I have no idea. But, I'm still gonna make a video about it because I want to help other people. So, I just searched on Google, top 10 places to visit in New York City, and if you guys scroll down, you guys will see there are certain blogs, and TripAdvisor made a very basic blog about the 15 best things to do in NYC. So, I bet you we can just go through this and get some ideas for our video. Because if you guys go through here, you will see all these different ideas, and you can click on them and even show each one in your video. So, you guys could, use pictures from the Pixels website that are non-copyrighted, and you guys can get all of your information from this website. So, your video is basically right here, you're just putting it into a YouTube video. So, we can use this as one of our things to do in New York City. What we can do is we can just copy. Let me see if I can click this. You can save the image like this. So, I'm going to click Save Image As, and it even gives you the information here that you can technically use this information in the video. You can just say, how much it costs for the tickets, everything like that. So, I'll show you exactly how to do that right now. So now we're on the Camtasia software use. We're going to import the videos that we download from Pixabay and Pexels. So, select all the clips you need, then click on Photo, and choose the photo from the other website as well. Now it's imported, now drag and drop here. You can see when you click play that it's all in here. The first thing I'm going to do is cut these clips down because usually, they're longer than we need them for. Let's cut them to around 3 seconds. Now, let me go over how all of these work down here and all the ones that I use. The first thing I always use is the split feature, so you can split your clips this way if you need to cut them down. Right-click and lots of options are in a row. If you need to add text, which we're going to use next, use the split feature. Then, click the right button, and many options are available in a row. If you need to add text, to add the first title because right now we're making the intro. You have to think, how do they make YouTube videos? You can watch other YouTube videos as examples if you need to. Type in what you need here, top 10 places to visit in New York City. When you're done typing, click on this little thing here, the movement, and make it bounce in for a nice effect. Drag it as long as you need it. For the intro, it will be the whole first clip. You can say hello or introduce yourself, use your voice or get someone from Fiverr. You don't have to put anything, but I would use my voice. If you want to record your voice, click on Music down here, then click on Record. You can also add music for non-copyrighted sound. Our intro will be about New York City, like, it's great for families. You can add more information or historical background information here. Use the split feature most commonly, delete if you need. Click on the clip and click on the canvas to move it. You can make it smaller or whatever you want. Add in text with information on the side. This will be the first place to go in New York City. Close it out with an outro, and you're done. Add in each piece of information based on the website I showed you. Once you add everything, click on export when you're done with your video, and it'll save right here. Chose a full HD quality. After creating video, want a thumbnail for YouTube video? Canva is perfect for creating thumbnails, especially for beginners. Search thumbnails and select a template. It simplifies the process. It's free and offers various options, including aesthetic templates. Choose a template, customize it. Opt for bold fonts for visibility, like 10 top places to visit in NYC. Ensure the text stands out. Customize elements, delete unnecessary parts, and change the picture. Pixabay provides great images, copy-paste them into Canva. Choose colors that stand out on YouTube. This is a basic thumbnail made in less than 5 minutes. Click Download, and it's saved to your computer. Once you're logged into YouTube on the dashboard, you can upload your video with Add YouTube Audio Studio. Now upload video with simple title and description. Feel free to drop your comments below or share specific feedback. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest videos.